Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this is such a clear pattern on the monthly time frame. I think this is definitely one of the clearest patterns around on the monthly when it comes to the yen pairs. Wave A, three waves down, wave B, and I think this is so clearly a 1, a 2, and we're still in that wave 3. Still no signs of the wave 3 being over. It could easily go up to any one of these Fibonacci levels before it even decides to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 ending, which probably is a wave C. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you really have to notice that this is still, ever since the end of this wave 2 over here, still higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high. No break of structure, no lower high, no Fibonacci bounce, no reason to think this wave 3 is over, and I definitely would still primarily be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we had a big push down on the yen pairs. But just like pretty much these last 4 years or more, all you have to do is zoom out a little bit on these time frames and you'll see why looking for longs has been such an amazing strategy for the last 4 years. And it continues to be an amazing strategy because what happened recently, it made one, two, three waves down to a Fibonacci level and looks like it made a nice entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Buying the dip is an amazing strategy on the yen pairs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice downtrend, wave A, we got a nice little three wave up, wave B, we got another downtrend, wave C, we got a Fibonacci bounce, we got an engulfing move to the upside. A perfect end of an ABC correction happened yesterday in the Asian session. Now, would I be doing? I would be doing absolutely nothing, which is basically what I've been doing for the better part of 4 years now, is looking for absolutely nothing but longs and an uptrend at the end of these ABC pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, nice perfect entry right here. We had a higher low, we had a break of structure, everything we needed to prove that this was the end of a trend for a wave C. Nice Fibonacci bounce, nice one, two, three waves down. Perfect little entry to go long last night. Now, I would definitely not go long now, and I don't know if it's going to make a pullback now or whether it's going to keep on drifting up. The strategy right now is to either be holding along or to be patiently waiting for a pullback to get long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Any pullback I see, I definitely will be looking to get in long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily trading sessions and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.